Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be about how ChatGPT solves students' issues for thesis writing. ChatGPT. As an AI language model, I can offer some general tips and advice on how to approach thesis writing. Here are some steps that may help you. Step 1. Understand the requirements. It's essential to understand the requirements of your thesis before you begin writing. Carefully read through the guidelines provided by your advisor or professor and make sure you understand the expectations. Step 2. Choose a topic. Choose a topic that you're interested in and that aligns with your academic goals. A good topic should be narrow enough to be manageable but broad enough to allow for meaningful research. Step 3. Develop a thesis statement. Your thesis statement should be a clear, concise, and arguable statement that outlines the main point of your paper. It should be specific and provide a roadmap for the rest of your paper. Step 4. Conduct research. Conduct thorough research on your topic to gather evidence to support your thesis statement. Make sure you use credible sources and take good notes. Step 5. Organize your thoughts. Create an outline to help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your paper flows logically. Use your thesis statement as a guide to help you stay on track. Step 6. Write your paper. Begin writing your paper, starting with the introduction and working your way through the body paragraphs and conclusion. Make sure you cite your sources correctly and use a consistent citation style. Step 7. Edit and proofread. Once you have completed your first draft, take some time to edit and proofread your work. Make sure your paper is free of errors and that your ideas are presented clearly. Conclusion. In addition to these general steps, you may also want to seek help from your professor or advisor, as well as your school's writing center. They can provide additional guidance and feedback on your thesis writing.